Hello everyone, welcome back to the maths class. I hope you all are fine. Students, in last class we have started exercise 3F till question number 3 we have done. Today we are going to start with question number 4. Now listen question number 4. In a bakery there was a demand for 1575 pastries during the weekend, but 197 fewer pastries were baked. How many pastries were available for sale? So student, what is given here? Bakery had to bake 1575 pastries, but 197 few pastries were baked. So student, what is the meaning of this line? The meaning of this line is 197 pastries were not baked. How many pastries were available for sale? Now here we have to find the total number of pastries that were available for sale. So student, we will start with the statement. Okay, the first statement will be total demand of the pastries, that is equal to 1575. The first statement will be total demand of the pastries equal to 1575. Okay, right here places ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, next statement will be number of pastries not baked equal to 197. Now we have to find the number of pastries available for sale. So what we will do here? We will do subtraction. So write the sign of minus here. Student, 5 minus 7. Not possible. We can't subtract 7 from 5. So here we will take one borrow from the tens place. So we will take one borrow from this 7. So this 5 becomes, yes, 15, and this 7 becomes 6. Now student, 15 minus 7, yes, 8. 6 minus 9, not possible. So we will take one borrow from the hundreds place. So this 6 becomes 16 and this 5 becomes, yes, 4. 16 minus 9, yes, 7. 4 minus 1, 3. Write 1 as it is. Okay. So write hence line also. Hence 1378 pastries were available for sale. Understood? Now let's move on to question number 5. What number should be subtracted from 9000 to get 6723? What is question number 5? What number should be subtracted from this to get this? So here we will subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Okay. So we will write here required number. That is equal to, first we will write bigger number, that is 9000. Okay. And we will subtract 6723 from 9000. Now do subtraction here. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, 0 minus 3. Not possible. So we will take one borrow from this 0. Okay. Again here is 0. So this 0 will take one borrow from this 0. You can see in 100 place again this 0. So this 0 will take one borrow from the thousands place. So we will take one borrow from this 9. Okay. So this 0 becomes, yes, 10 and this 9 becomes 8. Now this 0 will take one borrow from this 10. So this 0 becomes 10 and this 10 becomes, yes, 9. Now this 0 will take 1 borrow from this 10. So this 0 becomes, yes, 10, and this 10 becomes 9. Okay. Now 10 minus 3, yes student, 7. 9 minus 2, 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 8 minus 6, 2. So the answer is 2277. Okay, understood? Now see question number 6. What number should be added to 5021 to get 6537? So what is the question? What number should be added to this to get this? So you can see here which one is a bigger number. Yes, 6537 is greater than 5021. So here we will do subtraction. So we will subtract smaller number from the bigger number. Okay, I am taking one example. Now see here. Suppose you have a number 10. Okay, suppose you have a number 10. Then what should be added to this 10? Okay, what should be added to this 10 to get, yes, 15? I am repeating again. Suppose you have a number 10. So what should be added to this 10? We get 15. Okay. So what we will do here? We will subtract this 10 from this 15. You know 15 minus 10. Yes student. 15 minus 10 equal to 5. You can check also 10 plus 5 equal to 15. When we add 5 here, we get 15. So we will subtract this 10 from 15 to get this answer. So similarly, we will subtract this smaller number from the bigger number. So now let's start. Write here required number. That is equal to, first we will write, yes, bigger number. When we subtract, we always write bigger number on the top. So bigger number is 6537. Okay. And write next number, that is 5021. Now subtract. Student, 7 minus 1, yes, 6. 3 minus 2, yes, 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 6 minus 5, 1. So the answer is 1516. Okay. When we add 1516 to 5021, we get 6537. I hope question number 4, 5 and 6 are clear to everyone. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.